Saturday, June 1st, first Saturday of the month, cars and coffee time, and it was above 50 degrees, so there are a lot of people out here today. So, and my battery is low, so I might take some stills with this thing, but I'm gonna use the GoPro and grab you guys some footage. Let's take a walk around.
GoPro 2, just not my day. Alright, to give you guys an idea of how big this Cars and Coffee can get, this is a pretty good one. Of course, starting to get into summer. I'm gonna flip the GoPro around and see. It goes clear over to that set of trees way over there. It's a huge parking lot. Alright guys, back in the shop as you can see, so that's a wrap. If you like that video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!